The fight against piracy in the local entertainment industry has taken a step in a positive direction today. The Fiji Performing Rights Association and Hope FM and Television today signed a copyrights agreement partnership. The agreement will see the Seventh-day Adventist radio and TV stations broadcast music and videos of local artists who have signed up with FPRA.
You understand that we use materials, mainly music, that have been produced and written by artists who I believe have been blessed by God with talents to do so. And I'm glad that the Fiji Performance Rights Association affiliation of the group in Australia, FPRA, has or is established to look into the interest and protect the interests of our local artists.
The FPRA hopes this will encourage other broadcasters to follow suit.
The board also belong to Christian denominations, to see that the Hope team is actually walking the talk, and we're hopeful that the other Christian stations out there, both TV and radio, will also take their cue from them.